Welcome, welcome to my free digital marketing course. Today is going to be very interesting. We will be talking about hosting and domain. Okay, so this is from the previous lesson that requirements to be a pro digital marketer. So you want to be a pro digital marketer as it is very necessary right now. So the first thing that you must have is your website. What is a website? Is simply the place www.adarsh.com. This is a website. Amazon.com. This is a website. Okay, so you must have a complete website to start with digital marketing. If you want to do blogging, then you must have a website. If you don't want to do affiliate marketing, then you must have a website. If you want to learn website designing, you must have a website. So anything you want to do, so you must have a website. Okay, so first thing that is necessary is website. Then the second thing, you need to know how you need to do blogging. Blogging is very important, and I already told you what is blogging. It's simply the article which you have write, but there is an art of blogging that I will teach you. So this is what I will teach you. So blogging you should know. Third thing is passion. Passion is required in every field. It is bit little bit easier in digital marketing, but yes, you need passion. You need to do hard work. Yes, you need to do hard work. Hard work in the sense, it's not that you need to do much hard work. You need to do smart work. Okay, so I will replace this from hard work to smart work. You need to do smart work in digital marketing. And the important and most important thing is dedication. So if you are a dedication and if you are passionate about it, then continue with me. We will achieve miracles. Okay, so let's start. I will tell you what is hosting and what is domain. Okay, what is a domain? A domain name is your website name. For example, amazon.com, flipkart.com, facebook.com. So this is what www.amazon.com. This is their domain name. So what is domain name? मैंने अगर कुछ टाइप मैं जब डोमेन नेम टाइप करूंगा तो उनकी वेबसाइट में एक्सेस कर पाऊंगा. सो इट इज अ नेम और एड्रेस वेयर इंटरनेट यूजर्स कैन एक्सेस देयर वेबसाइट. ओके, अब जो डोमेन नेम है वो पहले से रजिस्टर्ड हो जाना चाहिए. इट शुड बी रजिस्टर्ड प्रीवियसली. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ www.amazon.com is there, then nobody can take domain name. मतलब if I want, अब मैं चाहता हूं कि मैं भी डोमेन ले लूं www.amazon.com, तो मैं वो नहीं ले पाऊंगा. So one domain means only one person can take this domain. So for if you want to take the domain, then domain must be available for you. Then only you can take. Otherwise, you cannot take. So no two website can have the same domain name. Is it clear? So I will explain you a little bit. And the hosting. So for example, in the internet, so internet, let's example, internet is a street, it is a road. Okay, then domain name is your address of your home. Okay, so domain name is what is your address of the home. So when internet users, when users see that yeah, this is domain name, so they will reach your home. So domain name is simply address your home, address of your home. And what is your house? It is your website. Okay, and the land on which your website is made is called hosting. Means internet is all about IP address. Internet has various servers. So what, we cannot purchase the whole server because it will be very costly. So we purchase a little bit space in a colony. For example, in a colony, if we want to purchase a house, then we cannot purchase the whole colony. We purchase only a plot inside the colony. That is web hosting. तो वेब होस्टिंग कौन प्रोवाइड करता है? सो देयर आर वेब होस्टिंग साइट्स हु प्रोवाइड सम स्पेस इन देयर सर्वर्स. यस, सो जैसे कि कॉलोनी है तो कॉलोनी के अंदर एक प्लॉट प्रोवाइड करते हैं. तो सर्वर क्या है? एक तरीके से वेब होस्टिंग सर्विस प्रोवाइडर्स है और वो लैंड प्रोवाइड करते हैं ताकि वी कैन मेक अवर डोमेन नेम, और हम एक डोमेन नेम एड्रेस देते हैं उसका, और वही हमारी वेबसाइट होती है. ठीक है, तो वेब होस्टिंग and domain name is very important part for a website. So this completely makes a website. Okay, so let's move to next slide. So web hosting is an online service that enables you to publish your website or web application on the internet. Okay, so you already learned this. A website is very very important for you for a digital marketing, because digital marketing is all about practice. If you do not practice digital marketing, then there is no meaning. And you, how you can practice? You can practice on websites. Okay, so there are two types of web hostings available. You, the one is free web hosting, and there is a paid web hosting. So there are many sites which are offering free web hosting, but believe me, nothing is free in this. What they will do, they will make 1 month, okay, 15 days, do pay money for this, pay money for this, pay money for this. So nothing is free for in this world right now, I am saying to you. So they are having hidden fees. Okay, and the second thing, the free web hosting, if I talk about, is that they have very limited resources. You cannot do anything in that. Okay, the most important, if I go with the paid hosting, is the reason because it is having WordPress. If you see any website, if you see any websites, okay, so I will go to this. If you see any website, Amazon or Facebook, any website you see, this all are having paid web hosting. But Amazon and this are to having their own web servers like own colony. But generally all have WordPress, because almost 40% have the WordPress. So WordPress is basically a tool which helps you to make a website. Okay, so free web hosting does not have WordPress, so there is no meaning of free web hosting. Secondly, sometimes speed will become low. There will be no support. Support is very very important for a hosting services. Believe me, without support you cannot anything. Now also I am having 30 plus websites, and when my site got hacked or some data errors, then I immediately call the web hosting servers. There are many expert, they are sitting 24 hours, and they provide me, yes, do this, and they settle my problem. So that's why I recommended paid web hosting. And the most important thing, that there is 30-day money back guarantee. Yes, all web hosting providers are giving 30-day money back guarantee. Means if you don't like, then they will return all your money. So there is no problem for you. So it is my highly recommendation that you go for paid web hosting. So you need to buy both domain and web hosting. So how you can buy? Let me tell you one more thing before going to this. You have Aadhaar card. So for living in India, you need Aadhaar card. Yes, right or not? So that's why if you want to live on internet, then you must have a website. Without website, you cannot do anything. But in India, free means all want free, 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 free. No. If you want to really success phase, so this is not an expense. Don't take it as an expense. Take it as an investment. If you work with me, I will also buy with you from the hosting providers. I will also buy with you, and I will make my blog, I will make my website with you, and we will earn money together. Okay, but what I need, dedication. If you are, if you are investing also, and then you are not dedicated, if you are not passionate, then there is no meaning of investing. So don't invest at that time. Okay, so if you are not passionate, if you don't want to hard work for 15-30 days, then please don't come here. Okay, so website is important, but at the same time passion and dedication is also important. Okay, so this is the popular web hosting sites available. So there are many hosting sites available. SiteGround, HostGator, GoDaddy, Bluehost are the popular one, and I have tried almost all websites. My first website is was from GoDaddy, and I what I tell you, when I my site got hacked, no one is there to hear me. It takes 24 or 3-4 days for me to settle my problem. So I recommended you don't go with GoDaddy. It is very very bad. And Bluehost, if I go, then Bluehost is okay, but I recommended you don't go with it. Okay, so I recommended to SiteGround and HostGator. Almost half of my website are from SiteGround because SiteGround is best. There is no problem in it. But what I am saying that it is little bit costly. It will cost you almost 7,000 rupees per year. Yes, 7,000 rupees per year. But I will not say to go with it because it is little bit costly. So I will tell you to go with HostGator. Yes, my 2 3 sites are from HostGator also, and its support team is very very good. They are giving 30-day money back guarantee also. And if you want to ask any question, any doubt, then they can give you. Okay, so HostGator is the best and which I recommended for you. So it will cost you approximately 1,400 rupees with 30-day money back guarantee. So then what you want? If you want to really want to learn digital marketing, then you should go with HostGator. I have tried almost all the free hosting, web hosting that, and I came to know that the two most important, and I'm sharing with you. If you go with other one, then it would not be good for you because your site can be hacked, your site can be do this. No, no speed will be there because speed is most important for Google. Okay, so in now 4G world, if your site doesn't load properly, then what is the meaning of it? Okay, so I will recommend you HostGator. In the next chapter, we will learn how to make a website in 10 minutes. Okay, so we'll make your website, and after that we will learn how to design your website, then blogging, then affiliate marketing, and go on. So be with me. Okay, so best of luck for you.